Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your English grammar book and open your page number 47. Today we are starting unit 16 and our topic is sentences. Sentences is a group of words that form a complete thought. Sentences make sense. For example, a bus is parked on the road. Can I buy some sweets? So a telling sentence ends with a full stop and asking sentence. Asking sentence end up with a question mark. So this boy asked to the shopkeeper, can I buy some sweets? So it is asking sentence. So you put question mark at the end. And a bus is parked on the road. It is telling sentence. So you put full stop at on this end. Let us understand. Write the sentence in your notebook. Put a full stop after a telling sentence and a question mark at the end of an asking sentence. Andy bought a nice dress. It is not an asking sentence, so you put a a full stop at the end. Okay. Are you late to school? It is asking sentence. Okay. So you put question mark on it. Where do you live? It is also asking sentence, so you put question mark on it. I brush my teeth every day. So you put full stop on the end of this sentence. Practice for each of these asking sentence. Try the telling sentence as shown in the example. What is your name? My name is Dash. My name is Mariam. So what is your name? You write your name here. My name is Dash. Where do you live? I live in Islamabad. So you write it here. I live in Islamabad. Now look at your page number 48. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Dash. You write your best friend name here. What is your pet's name? My pet's name Cuckoo. Like my pet name is Blackie. So you write your pet name is here. Extended exercise. Molly wrote this dialogue, but she put full stop after each sentence. Help her find the asking sentence by putting a question mark. When telling in the telling sentence you put a full stop, and when the sentence is asking sentence, so you put a question marks at the end. Okay. What did you do yesterday? So it is asking sentence. You put question mark here. I finished my work here. Put full stop. Then I went out with my parents to see a movie. Put full stop here. Did you like it? Question mark. Yes, I liked it very much. It is not asking question sentence, so you put full stop here. What did you do after the movie? It is asking sentence, so put question mark here. After the movie, we went to Italian restaurant to have dinner. So it is not asking sentence, so you put full stop in here. How was the food? So it is asking sentence, so you put question mark here. It was delicious. Full stop. When did you come back home? It is asking sentence, question mark. We come back at 11 p.m. You put full stop here. Then I went to sleep on my bed at once. Put full stop here. Now look at your page number 49. We are starting unit 17 and our topic is preposition. What are preposition? Preposition describe the position of something. Look at the pictures below and read the sentence. Here, the words that tell us where a person, animal, or thing is are called preposition. Okay. So here we have some example. The kitten is dash the basket. The kitten is in the basket. So in is preposition. The monkey is sitting dash the branch of a tree. The monkey is sitting on the branch of a tree. So on is a preposition. The mat is under the table. So under is preposition. The cat jumped over the wall. So over is preposition. Let us understand. Look at the pictures and then say where these are by selecting the appropriate word. Write the sentence in your notebook. Okay, question number 1. The book is under or on the table. The book is on the table. So correct preposition is on. You take mark on it. The butterfly is sitting on or in the flower. The butterfly is sitting on the flower, not in the flower. So on is correct. The shoes are under or on the table. The shoes are under the table. So take mark here. The baby is sleeping in or under the cradle. The baby is sleeping in the cradle. So take mark on in. These are the correct preposition to complete all these sentences. Now look at your page number 50. Practice. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences by filling the blanks with the right word. You may choose the word from the list below. Here we have some words like between, or, in front of, under, behind, on. Tom is walking dash of the dog. The Tom is walking in front of the dog. The man is sitting dash the tree. The man is sitting under the tree. The old man is resting dash the bench. The old man is resting on the bench. The eagle is flying dash the children's head. The eagle is flying over the children's head. Okay, now look at your B part. Write complete answer to these questions. One example has been done for you. For example, where is the basket? The basket is under the table. In, on, under. The basket is on the table. The basket is under the table. So where is the basket? The basket is under the table. Where is the flower? The flower is dash the garden. On the garden, below the garden, in the garden. The flower is in the garden. The moon is dash the sky. The moon is in the sky or behind the sky or on the sky. The moon is on the sky. Where is the bird? The bird is in the box, on the box, in front of, on the box. Sorry, the bird is in the box. Where is the bee? The bee is dash the flower. The bee is on the flower or in front of, on or behind. The bee is on the flower. Now look at your page number 51, extended exercise. Susan was asked to describe the extended exercise. Susan was asked to describe the position of thing in the map given below. She gave wrong direction. Correct her statement as shown in the example. Susan, the hospital is opposite to Children Park. Where is the hospital? In this picture, where is the hospital? Look at here. Hospital is here. Hospital is opposite to the Children Park. No. The hospital is next to the Children Park. So you write it here. It is next to the park. It is also done for you. Son, the school is behind the playground in front of. Where's the playground? And where's the school? School is, look at this picture. Where's the school? School is here and playground is here. It is behind the playground. School is behind the playground. No. School is in front of playground. So you write no, it is in front of playground. Okay, so since where is the bus stop next to the hospital? Where is the bus stop? Here. And where is the hospital? Hospital here. It is next to the there is a bus stop next to the hospital. No, it is opposite. These bus stop and hospital, they both are opposite. So you write it here. No, it is opposite to the hospital. So since the fire station is opposite the post office, where is the fire station? Fire station is here and post office is here. It is not opposite. It is next to the fire station is next to the post office, so it is the next to the post office. So then the shopping mall is behind the bus stop, in between. Okay, the shopping mall is behind the bus stop. Where is the shopping mall? Here. Shopping mall is here and it is behind the bus stop. No, it is in between. So you write it here. No, it is in between. Do your work with very neat and clean handwriting. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.